Hello, my name is Faith from Bismarck Technologies. Here we teach kids technology skills like coding, website design, robotics, graphic design, video editing and animation. Holiday is around the corner and the children will be at home. What would you want them to do during this holiday? Would you want them to stay at home doing nothing? Would you want them to be roaming around? Or you want them to get that technology skills? Why not visit us today at Suite SF5 and SF11, Anafaraa Plaza by MIB Plaza, 1st Avenue, Gwarinpa, Abuja. Or you can also visit us at Millennium Plaza, opposite NNPC Tower, Herbert Macaulay Way, Central Business District, Abuja. Or you can call our number 080-8899-6437. What are you still waiting for? We'll be glad to have your kids there.